everything included on Princess Cruises in 2023. Cruise lines love to market their ships as the biggest or most luxurious on the sea, but Princess Cruises has taken things to the next level. Princess Cruise Vacation allows tourists to visit several locations worldwide for one fixed price while enjoying most of the ship's onboard facilities. However, if this is your first Princess Cruise, you may wonder what's included in the cruise ticket. Today's video will go over everything included on Princess Cruises in 2023, along with anything that costs a little extra, so you can adequately budget for your next vacation. Hey there! If you're new here, welcome to our channel. We provide vacation travel guides needed for a fun-filled cruise experience. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive guide to the Princess Cruise experience in 2023. Before we begin, please hit those like and subscribe buttons below to help our channel grow. What does a Princess Cruise include? Princess Cruises include your meals, lodging, and entertainment. Daily gratuities are not included and will be charged to your onboard account daily. Drinks, excursions, and other onboard activities are extra. When it comes to the included items, Princess follows a reasonably regular cruise line format. Many cruise companies are beginning to include things like gratuities, but Princess has yet to do so. As you consider how to plan your vacation, your instinct may be to limit the amount of money you spend on travel, accommodation, and other expenses. However, when you do this, you will likely regret it later. After all, it's the trip itself that you want to enjoy. Instead of concentrating on saving money, focus on making sure that your travel experience is enjoyable and memorable. Fortunately, plenty of ways to ensure that happens without breaking your budget. Here are just some of the things included with Princess Cruises in 2023. Accommodations. Your Princess Cruise fee includes the cost of your cabin for the duration of the voyage, as well as daily service by a stateroom attendant. Princess Cruises, like most cruise companies, provide several cabinet classifications. Your selections will use internal accommodations, ocean view or balcony cabins, and various suite options. Surrounding you with deluxe accommodations, including more living space, a sofa bed, separate seating areas, and wonderfully enhanced amenities, such as a complimentary minibar setup, in-suite, and so much more. Dining and food. Princess Cruise chefs travel from their homes to the ships, bringing family recipes and enthusiasm along with them. They create dishes served by crew members who love to tell stories of their own, about where they're from and where they've been, and hear your stories too. Every Princess Cruise ship includes 3 meals daily as part of the average cruise cost. Princess Cruises' main dining rooms, like those of other cruise lines, have a multi-course rotating menu that varies nightly. With Dine My Way, you now have full control and flexibility when it comes to eating on board. Fit in a formal dinner before a show, explore the possibilities of casual eateries whenever works for you. Use Ocean Now to order a burger and beer that finds you while watching movies under the stars. Make reservations so you can make the most of mealtime with more options to enjoy and less waiting. Prefer to dine on your own balcony or while catching a sunset on the top deck? It's easy with Ocean Now. Order your favorite foods and drinks on your smart device, stateroom TV, or directly through a crew member, and they'll bring them right to you with free delivery. Sit back, relax, and enjoy not having to stand in line or deal with crowds. Onboard activities. Modern cruise ships are activity and event hubs. On a Princess Cruise ship, there is always something to do that is free of charge. So whether you want to relax by the pool or participate in various activities, the choice is yours. Princess has joined forces with Discovery to bring enriching new experiences on board and ashore with Discovery at Sea. There's stargazing on the top deck and activities inspired by hit shows such as Shark Week, Finding Bigfoot, Deadliest Catch, and more. Live performances, music and dance lessons, local foods, and more will give you a deeper connection to the places you visit. Guest lecturers provide information on the history, geography, animals, and culture of your ports of call. To keep active on your trip, you may also expect to discover a gym with plenty of cardio and strength training equipment, a jogging track, and an indoor sports court. Learn how to prepare the gourmet specialties served on board, or indulge in a special wine tasting with selections from regional vineyards, as well as varieties from all around the globe. Let the sound of the slots and the glow of bright blinking lights captivate you in their state-of-the-art casinos. See what the cards hold with the table games you love, bingo, tournaments, and more. Night entertainment. Your princess ship comes alive at night with various entertainment options that are all included in your cruise price. A cruise wouldn't be complete without evening entertainment in the main theater. There's something for everyone, with production performances and diverse headlining performers ranging from singers to comedians and magicians. Enjoy the Spotlight Bar, where this imaginative show transports guests to a vibrant bar atmosphere where they connect with local storytellers who share tales of their colorful lives through song. Come as you are to the Spotlight Bar, where a familiar modern playlist inspires camaraderie and the urge to dance. Meanwhile, Rock Opera, a one-of-a-kind production, features incredible costumes inspired by glamorous avant-garde fashion, with musical soundtracks spanning classical rock, opera, and musical theater, sung in English, Spanish, Latin, and even American Sign Language. Destinations. Princess brings the world closer with voyages to over 330 cruise destinations across more than 100 countries on all 7 continents. Explore tranquil beaches, visit historic temples, glimpse incredible wildlife, and more with award-winning ships and shore excursions. They work with locals in each destination to bring you experiences that are authentic, exciting, and enriching. Princess Cruise Line is the world's most extensive cruise line and offers 7 different ship classes to suit every vacationer's needs. All ships provide a diverse range of amenities, entertainment, and activities, so no matter what kind of cruise you're looking for, there's one that will be perfect for you. Endless entertainment options. It's no surprise the shops of Princess Cruises are awarded Best Onboard Shopping from Porthole magazine year after year. You'll find fine merchandise from brands like Swarovski, Chanel, Estee Lauder, Clinique, Lancome, Calvin Klein, Citizen, and Tissot, plus local crafts, keepsakes, and souvenirs. Take a dip in their sparkling freshwater pools or unwind in hot tubs and padded loungers. You'll also find hilarious pool competitions, cocktail mixing demonstrations, bars, their world-famous pizza, and even complimentary soft-serve ice cream. Add a new twist or two to your dance moves with a wide variety of fun classes like country line dancing, ballroom, salsa, and more. Get your heart pumping with a high-energy Zumba class, or take your sweetheart for a spin at one of their pulsating nightclubs. Spa treatments and wellness. The Sanctuary is a luxurious, spa-inspired top-deck retreat reserved just for adults. The Sanctuary features plush lounge furniture, attentive Serenity steward service, soothing music, refreshing beverages and spa fare, and even an open-air massage in your own private cabana. Revitalize in the Lotus Spa, named Best Spa on a Cruise Ship by Spa Finder Wellness 365. As part of their relaxing cruise activities, you can choose from a variety of treatments, such as aromastone therapy massages and detoxifying ocean wraps, or enjoy a manicure and a pedicure in the Princess Salon with an attentive service chosen by you. Their state-of-the-art fitness centers offer exercise and spinning courses, free and machine weights, treadmills with ocean views, and more to energize yourself while on your cruise vacation. And if you like the outdoors, there's a jogging track a few decks above the waves. Get your heart pumping to a rhythmic South African beat with Zumba classes on board, complete with licensed instructors. Or renew body, mind, and spirit with yoga on deck. Plus, on select voyages, enjoy the flowing moments of Tai Chi to make the most of their relaxing cruises. What your cruise fare doesn't include. Gratuities for the crew. Cruise gratuities, like hotel resort fees, are service charges that are not included in the average cruise cost. These extra costs are payable to all passengers across all stateroom types per person per day. These fees are intended to compensate the hardworking staff for the outstanding service during your cruise holiday. This daily service charge at present is $14.50 per person each day for ordinary cabin categories on Princess Cruises. The cost rises to $15.50 per guest in the mini suite and club class, and $16.50 in the suites. This price can be prepaid or charged to your onboard account daily. Of course, you may always tip special staff members more than the minimum. Excursions. Princess Cruises will take you to several intriguing points of call. Unfortunately, shore excursions are not included in the cruise ticket. These tours and extra activities can be booked through the cruise operator or third-party shops for an additional fee. Discover top-rated destinations on award-winning shore excursions. Princess Excursions have been recognized for providing exceptional service and outstanding travel experiences. Expertly curated, award-winning, and varied, these excursions offer something for everyone, whether an adventure seeker, foodie, or history lover. From exploring cities like New York or Sydney by land, or flying over iconic sites like Machu Picchu by helicopter, each day at sea provides an adventure of its own. Wi-Fi access. All ships have been upgraded with Medallion Net Wi-Fi, allowing guests to stay connected to the web like never before. You can text, post photos, video chat, and stream your favorite shows, movies, music, and sports with ease. All ships in the Princess fleet are Medallion Net enabled. To learn more, visit the Medallion Net page. Guests can choose to bundle unlimited Wi-Fi along with other perks with their cruise with Princess Plus fares. Medallion Net Wi-Fi is also available for purchase in the Medallion Class app, starting at $9.99 US pre-cruise for a single device. Platinum and Elite Captain's Circle members receive a 50% discount on their Medallion Net purchase. Specialty dining. While many meal options are included in the cruise cost, Princess Cruises also provides additional dining options. On Princess ships, luxury dining options range from the iconic steakhouse Crown Grill to the Italian trattoria Sabatini's and Bistro Sur la Mer by Michelin chef Renaud. Celebrate a birthday, anniversary, or just the simple joy of sitting down with your favorite people over steaks cut on board by our butchers in Crown Grill, handmade pasta in Sabatini's Italian trattoria, or French bistro-style dining at Bistro Sur la Mer. Whatever cruise restaurant you choose, you'll enjoy the meal and the moments spent together. Specialty restaurant cover charges apply. Specialty restaurants' pricing and menu items vary by ship and are subject to change. New pricing goes into effect on February 20th, 2023, voyages and onward. Beverages. Alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Princess Cruises offers a selection of free drinks. On Princess Cruises, complimentary refreshments include coffee, iced water, lemonade, hot tea, and iced tea. Specialty coffees, smoothies, fresh juice, soft drinks, bottled water, and energy drinks are all extra charges. Similarly, all alcoholic beverages are additional. If you want to save money and enjoy any of these beverages, you may consider getting a drink package. Princess Plus and Princess Premier cruise packages include everything you love about our beverage packages and much, much more at a lower per-day cost than buying just a beverage package. Princess Plus cruise costs. Princess Cruises has introduced a new price option, Princess Plus, to deliver a more all-inclusive cruise experience for a total value of $140 per day for only $60 per day. This price option contains products that are not usually included in your cruise cost. The Plus beverage package includes the classics, sodas, specialty coffees and teas, cocktails, wine, and beer up to $15 each, even hot chocolate, water to go, smoothies, and an unlimited juice bar. Whatever you want, with tips included. You can stay connected to whatever you need: social media, email, info, family, and friends back home. And thanks to the best Wi-Fi at sea, you can text, share, stream, and video chat with ease from any one device. Indulge your sweet tooth each day with 2 Princess Premium desserts. Elaborate confections overflowing with gelato, pastry, and candy mixtures that will be available within gelateria, swirls, or coffee and cones. Break a sweat with 2 included fitness classes from Exponential, from Pure Barre to Yoga 6 and Stretch Lab. A great option for staying balanced during your time away. All-inclusive Princess Premier Package. Princess Cruises has recently unveiled a new all-inclusive package called Princess Premier, the best value of all with everything Princess Plus offers and more for a total value of $257 per day for only $80 per day. This all-inclusive plan includes unlimited Wi-Fi access for up to 4 devices, the new Premier Beverage Package, 2 specialty dining meals, pictures, and gratuities. This package expands on the popular Princess Plus add-ons to provide a wider range of choices for passengers to choose the one that best meets the demands and budgets of your travel party. The kind of stateroom you select will be the most critical influence in deciding your total cruise price, so evaluate all of the alternatives offered on your specific ship to choose the one that best meets the demands and budget of your travel party. Princess Cruise Lines has been delighting passengers for over 45 years with their attentive service, luxurious accommodations, and friendly staff. Whether you're looking for a relaxing getaway or an adventure-filled holiday, Princess Cruises has something for everyone. That sums up our overview of the Princess Cruise experience. If you enjoyed the video and you want to watch more videos like this one, show your support by hitting those like and subscribe buttons below. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any recommendations for future videos. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and stay tuned for more soon.